Exactly. It's the same reverse. Because you haven't gone forward yet. You're allowed to pause and think. But now you've gone forward, so the next one counts.
Ooh. Oh.
Nice.
Okay, she might have found something. Ooh, she making it happen. Uh-oh.
I'm going backwards.
Oh.
Just did a 180.
Oh, man. Come on, buddy.
Pick up the time.
Come on, baby. Ooh, she got that wheel up there. She doing good. Oh, God.
But it landed on the wheel.
Oh, it did. So she ain't got to.
She ain't got to touch it. Still got to get through the gate.
Ah, how can she get back up there?
Coming up on 3 minutes.
Oh, we got 5 minutes.
So that's only 2 minutes left.
Oh, snap.
I gotta figure out how to get back up there.
Over here this way, miss.
Not through it. There you go. Yeah. And then you can loop back around through it.
Oh,
Hit the reverse. And you want to just get
You just want to finish,
you
remember?
just want to finish.
yeah.
But that's the wrong way.
I know.
Pressure is getting to her.
Ah, come on, baby. Oh, it's still up there. Huh?
I'm gonna reposition.
I thought you can go up.
No, I'm gonna take a touch. I've already broke one driving it. I'm not driving. I'm not breaking another one.
Okay.
Right now, look out. This is kind of strategy. Now she can point it to the
Where she need to be?
You've already cleared that.
And since
so
she's
on the
running
other
out of
side, however
time.
you want.
Yeah.
Instead of wasting trying to get there, just take the 10 points to finish the course.
Yeah.
Take the one reverse. Back up more.
This is the good kitty gone bad, y'all. Come on, baby. Ah!
Well, I got Pinky Hill and now I'm fixing to have Pinky Crevice.
Yeah. Can you get past the Pinky Crevice? Oh, yeah, it's looking good, man. Oh, yeah.
Blocked it. Yes.
Yeah, she did that. Oh, come on, baby.
20 seconds.
Okay. How many?
20 seconds left.
God dang, that time went by quick.
Yeah,
What happened to the other man? Okay. She on the floor now, y'all. She giving it some gas now.
Gate.
Ah.
Nice. 6. So positive. It's the same as the other points.
What she get?
Positive 32. She got
Are you serious? You got the same score?
same
on
score.
both
This has been
scores?
happening almost all day. Everybody's been repeating.
Their scores.
Yeah, both penalties and progresses.
Wow.
Dang.
So positive 32, positive 32. So we've got because we keep track of the progresses here, the reverses here, a gate or a touch penalty, and then if they finish, you would put the time here, DNF, and then we have this group down here. So we already know the DNF total, and then however many progresses, and it gives us their score. So try and keep it real.
Who
simple.
next?
Who next? Well, you can depend.
Everybody done with number 1?
Yes, it looks like everybody's done with 1. I got to finish up here with 2, and that's why they're on
3
now. And then we'll take a lunch break and then start the next class.
Okay. Man, I went to Wendy's before I got here, ordered a number 1. Shit nasty. I knew someone, bro. I should have just went to McDonald's, got me a sausage egg, sausage biscuit with cheese. Cause man, I went up there, they had some maple burger. What they had? I ain't like it, whatever it was. I ain't like it. Mr. Judge. Boy, that sun's beaming now. And I got a cover all on.
Progress 2.
Is there a grand prize for first place?
Yes, you get a wheel set and a car stand.
You get a wheel set and a car stand, first place.
Progress on 3.
Do they care about second place? What he get?
Second loser.
Yeah,
Second.
second is the first loser.
I'm gonna take a reverse.
Got it.
He took his reverse. Let's see if he made it work for the best of them. Usually when people need one reverse, they need two.
Now you're
Come
there.
on,
Now
yes,
you're there.
there it is.
Is this the Pinkest Crevice?
Yes, sir, I am.
Ooh. Well, that's how you do it, okay? He know how to do it, y'all. That was the Pinkest Crevice. Oh, I need to go get my phone charger, y'all.
I got a portable charger. When I'm done, I'll hook you up.
I think I got one.
Charging 2. There's an outlet in the trailer.
Okay.
You're clear there. Yes, sir.
Ooh, he doing his thing.
Progress.
He just getting real close. So it looked like he gonna mess up, and then he just progress each time. Look at them wheels, man. Is that a custom suspension?
Okay, did you make that chassis? Is that one of yours?
No,
Somebody else.
my chassis wouldn't weigh enough. This is a G-speed.
Oh, this a G-speed?
Front axle and an element rear.
Yeah.
Oh, a 1030 front axle.
So it's two different axle manufacturers. What transmissions in it?
Too low, I think.
Too low.
Oh, I got a power glide then.
Too low.
They call it a too low.
Well, they're trying. You want to gear these down as low as possible, and it really smooths out the startup on the cars.
Custom pro mode.
Okay.
Progress.
He progressing over here, y'all. They say his axle seems